Straighten any damage to vehicle prior to removing panels. Remove the welded flanges using a spot weld cutter drill bit. Separate flange with air chisel. If necessary, straighten any damage to the flanges with a hammer and dolly. Grind all adhesive, paint, galvanized coatings, and E-coats from the new roof skin flange and the pinch weld flanges to be bonded using 36 grit abrasive disc. Be sure to grind all bonding areas to bare steel. Blow off both surfaces with clean, dry air. If sectioning is required in the A-pillar or sail panel, bevel the edge to a knife edge on the new panel that will be cosmetically finished off. This will allow a smooth transition into the existing panel, allowing an undetectable repair. Flanging joint is not recommended. Pre-fit new roof panel for proper alignment. Make sure suspension is loaded during pre-fit. Remove the part from the vehicle, then clean all surfaces with a prep solvent. Remove the cap of the adhesive cartridge by prying the uppermost slot with a flat screwdriver. The cap may be retained for future storage. Properly place the cartridge into the gun with the label facing out. Prior to attaching the mixer, dispense a small amount of adhesive to be sure both sides flow evenly. Attach the mixer and dispense 2 inches of adhesive for proper mix. Apply a 3/8 to 1/2 inch bead of adhesive to all areas to be bonded. Then tool or brush the adhesive evenly, making sure to cover all surfaces of the bare metal. This will ensure no exposed metal for corrosion later. After both flanges have been covered, apply another bead to either flange for mating. Apply PUR sealer to original bead if still in place. Align the new panel in place and apply even pressure. After the panel has been positioned, do not pull away from the vehicle. If repositioning is required, slide the panels against one another. This will ensure no air is trapped in the bond line. Clamp firmly in place or use weighted sandbags where clamps cannot be placed. PlyoGrip Panel 60 adhesive incorporates glass bead technology to assure proper panel gap and prevents overclamping. Install screws or rivets in hard-to-clamp areas. If required by OEM specifications, proceed with welding. Clamp a minimum of 4 hours at 74 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 degrees Celsius. Longer clamp times may be necessary if lower temperatures are experienced. Clamp times may be accelerated by use of a heat gun or lamp for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove any adhesive from the section area. If needed, apply fiber-filled body filler, sand, and finish with conventional body filler for section joints. Allow proper dry time. Finish, sand, and paint per paint manufacturer's recommendation. Vehicle may be returned to service after 24 hours. For future use of the adhesive, after removing from the gun, either leave the mixer tip on or replace the original cap.